Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Susmita Fish Cutting 0.7. I am very happy to see you all here today. Thank you so much for choosing this video and spending your peaceful time with me. Today's video is a very calm, slow and satisfying fish cutting video. Bengali. Please watch the full video till the end and enjoy every moment. Now let us take a slow look at the Ayer fish. You can see the size of the fish. It looks very fresh, healthy and strong. The skin of the fish is smooth and shiny. The eyes are clear, which means the fish is fresh. Fresh fish always gives the best taste when cooked. Ayer fish is very popular in many homes because it is soft, tasty and delicious. Now I am starting the cleaning process. I am gently washing the fish with clean water. This removes dust, slime and unwanted dirt. I am holding the fish carefully so it does not slip from my hands. Cleaning fish slowly helps to keep the fish in good condition. Please notice how calmly the fish is being washed. Now I am carefully opening the stomach part of the fish. This step is very important and should be done slowly. I am removing the inner waste gently, without damaging the fish. Patience is very important during this step. Now I am washing the fish again to make sure it is fully clean. The fish now looks much cleaner and fresher. Now comes the Kucha process. This is a traditional way of cleaning fish in Bengali kitchens. I am cleaning the outer skin carefully. This step removes any remaining roughness from the fish body. After Kucha, the fish becomes smoother and cleaner. This process also helps reduce unwanted smell. At this moment, you can enjoy the natural sound of water. This slow process is very calming and relaxing. Many people enjoy watching fish cleaning videos for peace of mind. Take a deep breath and relax. Now I am preparing the boti. The boti is a traditional Bengali fish cutting tool. It has been used for many generations. The boti gives full control while cutting fish. It helps to make clean and even cuts. Now I am placing the Ayer fish carefully on the boti. The position of the fish is very important. Proper positioning makes cutting easier and safer. I am adjusting the fish slowly and carefully. Now I am starting to cut the fish. First, I am cutting the head part. The cut is slow and controlled. You can hear the natural sound of cutting. This sound is very satisfying for many viewers. Now I am moving towards the body part of the fish. I am cutting the fish into small, even pieces. Each piece is cut slowly and carefully. I am making sure all pieces are the same size. Equal pieces help the fish cook evenly. You can see the fish meat clearly now. The meat looks fresh, soft and juicy. Ayer fish has a beautiful texture. It absorbs spices very well when cooked. This is why many people love this fish. I am continuing the cutting process slowly. There is no hurry. Slow cutting keeps the fish shape perfect. This process requires focus and calmness. Now I am arranging the cut pieces neatly. All the pieces look clean and fresh. This makes the fish ready for cooking. Neat arrangement also looks beautiful. Now you can see all the cut pieces of Ayer fish together. They look very nice and ready to cook. This traditional method keeps the fish natural. So friends, this was today's Ayer fish cutting video. I hope you enjoyed this slow, calm and satisfying process. If you like this type of relaxing fish cutting video, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel Susmita Fish Cutting 0.7. Your love and support mean everything to me. Thank you so much for watching till the end. See you again in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay peaceful. Bye bye and thank you. Blue Heart.